Lawmakers are celebrating a major breakthrough in the fight against opioid abuse throughout our nation. Senator Heidi Heitkamp announced that bipartisan legislation to combat opioid addiction and abuse passed out of a Senate committee on Tuesday. According to the CDC, 77 people in North Dakota died in 2016 due to drug overdoses. KX News Washington correspondent Drew Petrimo looks into the bill with 40 new provisions.
Senator Smith.
Aye. On Tuesday, the Senate Health Committee passed a bill that aims to slow the wave of opioid abuse that leads to 115 overdose deaths every day.
This epidemic requires an urgent, effective, and bipartisan response.
Over 6 months of hearings, Tennessee Senator Lamar Alexander and other members of the committee heard from doctors, families, and state officials. The bill includes 40 proposals. It aims to improve detection and seizure of illegal drugs like fentanyl at border stops. It seeks to boost prescription monitoring systems in states to prevent overprescribing. And it provides help to researchers looking to develop new non-addictive painkillers.
I'm glad we could work to include support for state efforts to improve plans of safe care for children born to mothers battling addiction.
Washington Senator Patty Murray touted treatment and mental health provisions and praised the bipartisan work to craft the bill.
The bill passed unanimously, but some lawmakers say it doesn't go far enough.
Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders offered an amendment he says would bolster prosecutions of pharmaceutical companies if they misled the public about opioid dangers. But that was voted down.
It's so vague that it could be unconstitutional. We didn't see it until yesterday.
Says this year the federal government will spend $4.6 billion to fight the opioid crisis. Other lawmakers argue considering the scale of the problem, $4.6 billion is not nearly enough. In Washington, I'm Drew Petrimo.
Now, the bill is expected to go before the full Senate sometime this summer, and the bill includes Senator Heitkamp's provisions to address the ripple effects of the crisis on children, families, and communities.
Bowman County